Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA continues to be caught in this sideways price range. The bulls so far have not been able to drive the price above our breakout point here yet at 52.2 cents. Really, that's a very important level, a very important breakout point to the upside. So far, it remains intact, which means the price is still moving in these corrective sideways structures within this range. Doesn't give us very clear probabilities that could favor the orange scenarios, and therefore my previous commentary remains valid. One more low is something we definitely have to consider. Doesn't mean it has to happen. It's nearly like a coin flip at the moment. As long as we are in the range, we really need that breakout signal. Even though you could say that I'm slightly maybe leaning to a more direct breakout to the upside, but that's more about that's more because of cryptocurrency's potential to surprise to the upside sometimes. Also because we are still in a bullish market. But of course, probabilities are very balanced as long as we are in the range. I don't see a clear upside setup from here. Below 43.6 cents, which is the nearest micro support level I can give you here, probabilities will clearly shift towards the white count, a more direct decline. But even in the white count, even in the white scenario, which allows for one more low, I think a bounce at least from here would be likely, okay? Even if it's just for that E wave of the triangle. So for anybody who's new on the channel, I mean, the idea is still that we had a 5-wave move to the upside between the June lows and the March highs. So 5 waves up, okay? And then this pullback is likely the 3-wave corrective pullback as an ABC structure. The C wave would be a 5-wave move. And I think one more low is actually missing. But that doesn't mean it has to happen. I mean, there is a so-called WXY structure in which we could already have bottomed. There are other ways of solving this issue. The thing is just that until we get a 5-wave pattern to the upside followed by a 3-wave pullback, basically a so-called 1-2 setup of the next smaller wave degree, there is nothing here that I could use to really, let's say, confirm that we've bottomed. I think important to recognize that these structures sometimes tend to rally from very ugly bottoming structures. Therefore, I definitely have that orange, or that's one of the main reasons why I have this orange scenario on the chart, and I actually assign it decent probabilities. But it takes a little bit more action to the upside to really confirm it. At the moment, I would call, as I said, the orange count, which is the bullish breakout count to the upside. And in the orange count, we assume we've bottomed already on the 13th of April. It is speculative. I've called it speculative, and it is. However, it will become plausible above 52.2 cents. I think that's the best way of calling it, of framing it. Yeah. It's possible that, yes, as I said, we get one more low, and in this scenario, in the white count, the move down was just wave 3 of C of 2. And then we're forming a triangle here. A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. And then as soon as we get a break below the red line, here at 41.9 cents, we have a confirmed 5th wave to the downside. And it should then target sort of the area around 38 to 36 cents. So not too much going on there at the moment, unfortunately. ADA tried to rally, failed again. Okay, at least couldn't yet maintain a breakout, or really, it broke above the recent highs, broke out of the trend reversal area to the upside, but couldn't maintain there, couldn't sustain. This looks possibly like a small 5-wave move up, but it would be 5 waves in wave C of A, of 3. So it's all a very much, forced wave count. Therefore, it's speculative until proven. And because of this possible 5-wave move up, which is part of this ABC structure, I can give you a support zone, which is here between 43.6 and 47.3 cents. Here, the price really needs to turn around and start the C wave. But at the moment, there is absolutely no evidence that this C wave to the upside in the orange count has started. Earliest indication that we're turning around there, at least attempt to turn around, would be a break above 48.8 cents, the last swing highs here that we have. Let's call it 49 cents. So until then, we have to be patient, but this is an area, a micro support area, where we can be watching for a potential short-term reversal. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.